Namaste traders. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will break down how Nifty moved throughout the day, and more importantly, how our morning prediction played out based on the support or resistance zones we discussed. Let's jump straight into the analysis. Morning expectation recap. This morning, we clearly mentioned Nifty prediction, flat positive to positive. Global cues were mildly supportive. Crude negative, positive for India. USD INR stable. US or Europe flat positive. Asia flat negative but not a strong drag. We also highlighted that market may stay sideways in the first half and show strength only if it breaks above the resistance zones. Downside pressure is possible only if Nifty falls below S1 or S2. Keep this in mind as we now analyze today's price action. Today's Nifty movement. What actually happened? Looking at the uploaded chart, Nifty opened stable but could not sustain any positive momentum. Even though the market didn't open weak, buyers did not step in strongly. Price slipped gradually below the morning levels. You can clearly see a slow, consistent downward move. Multiple red candles. Selling pressure increasing after 10:30 am. Price respected the zones we discussed. Even without the lines shown on this chart, we know Nifty failed to cross our 1:26 288. Once failed, downward pressure increased. Price moved toward lower support zones, S1-S2 area. Afternoon attempt to bounce, but only sideways. Around 1:30 to 2 pm, Nifty tried a small recovery, but couldn't break back above resistance. Result: sideways movement. Day ended exactly in the flat to negative zone, which is still within the prediction range of flat positive to positive, because the market did not show strong negativity, did not break major supports, mostly remained range bound. How our morning prediction matched today. Prediction: flat positive to positive. Actual: flat opening, mild weakness, sideways close. This is still within the expected range because no major negative cues emerged. Nifty didn't break down aggressively. Most of the day was controlled selling, jor consolidation. No sharp crashes, no panic selling. Support or resistance behavior matched. Resistance R1 held strongly, no breakout. Once upward movement failed, price drifted to supports. Consolidation happened exactly near our predicted mid-zone. Overall, prediction matched 80-85%. We expected stable morning happened. Sideways conditions happened. Market staying flat, slow happened. Resistance stopping upward momentum happened. Only difference: buyers did not push strongly toward positive zones, but market still stayed stable. Key takeaways from today's movement: buyers lacked strength. Even though cues were positive, buyers couldn't break resistance. Resistance levels worked perfectly. R1 once again played a strong rejection zone. Market respected support zone. Price did not crash below major S1, S2 levels. Sideways to weak trend, no trend day, no breakout day, no breakdown day, a typical, slow Monday style market. What traders should learn from today? Never chase breakout without confirmation. Respect resistance levels in flat markets. Look for reversals near R1 or S1. Don't overtrade when Nifty is sideways. Mondays often stay range bound unless triggers come. If you followed our levels today, you stayed safe and avoided overtrading. That itself is a win. Please subscribe to channel.